Hello viewers, look at this BMW iX3 full electric car. Look at this charging. Beautiful car, also in power. Look like LED, very nice. Have also radar, sensor, camera, nice rim also. So I open inside, just now come. Guys, if you watch my video, please like and share. Please like and share. Look at this car, too many options in here. This one is start button, auto park also. Okay, now I will start the car. This one is start button. Now start the car. AC on. This one for charge. Many options also. Navigation, car, setting, drive mode, sport. Many options have. Light, display, and also have light nice here. Look at this light, very nice. And also have sunroof.
How the Ducams?
Door comes. So if you go out, car automatically off. Seat automatic. Too many options. Auto mirror also. Yes. خ ما شو اسمه جيجي. Look at this inside, back side, sorry. Also have AC here. And have reverse camera also here. And open the automatic. All accessories is here. This one is cable for charging, and you can put this one is cover, so you can close automatic. So this one here, which I cannot off. Look at this design sheet here. Very nice car, full electric car. You can put two place charge. Here also you can put this one, high speed charge. If you put 15 minutes, you can charge full here. This one. So guys, thank you so much watching my video. Please always like and share and support me. I will make for you guys always luxury cars and beautiful car. Look at this LED, very nice car. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and share, please. Thank you.